Nice job. Good. Is the silver one doing?
No,
Yeah, good. So just hand back enough to allow them to do what they need to do. Perfect. Good. How many lanes are turning? One. Therefore, we're through.
I'm scared. Sorry, I couldn't. I panicked.
You need to listen
to
me.
That's sorry. I know.
Denise,
I broke.
That's lethal.
I know. Sorry. I just braked. I seen it change. I just braked.
I know that's lethal though.
Yeah, and my foot just froze. I couldn't move.
I know, Denise. Listen to me. It's not a problem now. But that car's so close to hitting us behind.
Yeah.
You reach that point of no return.
Yeah.
You go through.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's very important that you're switched on to that.
Yeah.
And especially when Ash says to you, we're through.
Yeah.
All right.
And it was my foot froze. I couldn't move it. I seemed to brake on it. I couldn't move it.
You actually took it off and then pressed it again.
Yeah, froze. I couldn't seem to move it. I just froze down.
Okay. Yeah. You can't freeze.
Yeah.
All right. That on its own is the most dangerous thing that any learner can do in the car.
The back one could crash.
Is to brake when your instructor says
go.
Don't or carry on or we're through.
Yeah.
Okay. You knew exactly what I meant with me saying we're
I did know what I'd done once I'd done it. I went
as well, because you think just for a little second, how can us as the instructors get you off that brake apart from verbally? We can't. All right. It's so important.
To listen,
all right, to listen to that.
I knew I could have made it too, but I was just panicked.
It's not a case of me making it through, Denise. It's a case of we couldn't or we shouldn't have stopped.
Yeah, because the other car at the back was a bit.
Yes. We also stopped all on the cycle area. That's by the by. I'd rather you stop on a cycle area rather than jumping a red light. So we're never going to jump a red light. But that scenario, though, it's very important.
I know that.
You're right. You never have to apologise. But it is a massive important.
It was. I frightened myself there. I got myself a bit.
So just remember that.
Remember not to do that. Next time, just say go.
The only thing us instructors can't stop you doing is braking.
Yeah.
So when your instructor barks at you to come off the brake.
Just go. If you say go.
It's important. Yeah. If you're unsure on what to do, don't forget we've got these dual controls. This side.
I know you.
So what if in that scenario you weren't sure? Don't do anything.
That's true, because you could have stopped it if I was going through the wrong time. Do
you understand?
I should have known that. But I just
All right. So try and change what we're doing for next time. That's all, Denise. But good little situation.
A little bit. Remember a bit more now.
Left turn, please.
Left turn.
So compose yourself and look. Who's coming?
No one.
Good on him. It's the normal left turn. So round you go. And good for keeping yourself in a nice place after as well.
I'm a bit more confident on them now than I used to be.
Yeah, good.
I used to be absolutely, they were my nightmare then.
Good, well done.